Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Greg from Diary of a Wimpy Kid. So hope you get to follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Greg from Diary of a Wimpy Kid, we're going to begin with his nose. So we're going to keep him up here because he's pretty tall and skinny. So we're going to start right here, and I just want to begin by drawing a little line that's just going to curve out, and then it's going to come back in. Now, starting here, we're going to make his head. So we just want to begin by drawing a line that's just going to curve up and down. And then we're going to make a line that comes down here. We're going to go down, and then we're going to bring it up. Now, we left some space in here because we want to put his ear. Now, to draw his ear, we're going to start here. We're going to make kind of like a half circle. So we're just going to go out and then kind of bring it back. Almost kind of looks like we have a lemon right now. Starting here, we're going to make a black dot for the eye. Then we're going to leave some space, and then we're going to make another black dot over here. And inside of here, we're going to add a little curved line for the ear. Now we want to give Greg his classic kind of frown. So starting here, we're just going to draw a line that's just going to come up and down for his little frowny face. And then right back here, we're going to draw 3 little lines for his hair. So let's draw one here, one that comes up, and then one over here. Now starting here, we're going to make his arm. So we're going to begin by drawing a line that's just going to come down to here. And then right here, we're going to draw a little line that's going to come down and then up for one of his fingers. We'll make another one that goes down and up for another finger. And one more that goes down and up. Next, right here, we'll draw a line that's going to come down, and then it's going to come back in. Next, we just want to bring this line back up here for his arm. And we'll draw a little line across for his sleeve. Now, starting here, we're going to draw a long line that's just going to come down, and then it's going to go over for his body. Now, starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to come down, and we're going to go over to start his shorts, and then we're going to bring this line up. We'll do the same thing here. We're going to come down, and then we'll just come over like this. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's just going to curve down, and one more here to make his legs. Then we'll do the exact same thing over here. We're going to make 2 lines that come down for his legs. Next, we'll make a little curved line right across here. Starting here, we're going to draw a line that's going to curve down. We're going to bring this right across and then up for his shoe. Same thing here, we're going to come down and over, and then we'll bring it over here. Next, we'll draw a little line right across here for the bottom of the shoe. And we'll also make a little line across the top here for his socks. Then we'll make 2 little curved lines at the top of each shoe for some detail. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to connect here. And then right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve down for the strap of his backpack. Starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up, and then we're going to go down like this. Then we'll bring it in. Then we'll draw a little line right here. Over here, let's draw a line that's going to come out. We're going to go down and then back in with another little line. Finally, right here, let's draw a line that's going to go down, over, and up for part of his backpack. And there you go. There is your drawing of Greg from Diary of a Wimpy Kid. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.